Sharif sir, you can.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Very, very happy New Year to all of you. Live today on Facebook and also on the Zoom. Today we have great announcement for you. So we have some exciting news for you. So to begin this new year with a bang, please help me welcome our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Abhilash Thomas, onto the screen. Abhilashji, over to you.
Welcome, Abhilashi.
Welcome.
Good morning, the respected members of the Distributor Advisory Council, the corporate team, and my dear fellow Vivayites across the country, even beyond the borders of our continent. 2020 has changed the landscape of cricket. We all know that that is the second most watching sport in the world after football. The same way the year 2020 has changed the landscape of the businesses across the world. And in my 40 years of life, I haven't seen any year which is as different as 2020. You may call it as a very destructive year. For some people, it has actually created even existential challenges, but whereas your company, to be honest with you, it was an opportunity for your company, because any fast growing company has some particular issues which is usually attached to it. But 2020 gave us some curing time to put many things in place. I would say 2020 helped your company to gain effective control over the overall strategies, operations, sales, all aspects of your company. And furthermore, I would say in the year 2020, trust me, your DSC and your corporate team, we were never resting. We were brainstorming and we were implementing many pressing solutions for many pressing challenges which is faced in the network marketing business. Let me tell you, in my 22 years of experience in network marketing, I would say the biggest challenge for network marketing businesses, we know the 8 core steps. Among the 8 core steps, if we evaluate 7 steps, you get help. But there is one step which you don't get, or which you cannot get a help from your upline, is prospecting. All other steps, list making, you will get a help. Selection, you will get a help. Invitation, you will get a help. Presentation, follow-up, closing, retailing, many steps, all the 7 steps, you will get a help. But whereas one critical step, that is prospecting, an upline cannot extend his help to a new distributor. This is a very, very major issue in network marketing business. Very major issue. If you don't use prospecting, what will happen is, it is like you are sowing a seed without preparing the ground. My dad is a farmer. I used to see, first they will use a tractor, olden days bullock carts, to prepare the ground. Then they sow the seeds. So it will give 10 times, 20 times outcomes. But if the seed, the ground is not ready, it is a problem. The seed cannot give you result. The same way, without prospecting, if you invite people, they will not come for the program. Without prospecting, if you present the plan, they will not open their mind and they will not start the business. This particular issue is identified and a solution is made. Solution is not very easy, but technology will give you the solution. And another major issue in business, in prospecting, is not only in converting a person to a distributor, converting a person to become a customer also, prospecting plays a vital role. There also, upline cannot help. Your upline cannot come and prospect your people for you. That is a limitation. When in cricket, when a batsman is standing, the natural standing position itself will give a loophole called the block hole. If you place a bowler precisely the ball in the block hole, it will definitely become a wicket. The same way, this block hole is identified, that is prospecting, and Indus Viva's IT team has come up with a very unique solution, a high-tech solution. The very first direct selling network marketing company in the whole world. The host of the day, Mr. Sharif, is here. He is actively involved in the development of US business. The mentor of US, Mr. Archit Ramesh, is here. They all are analyzing the US market, and they also confirm me that this solution is not there even in United States of America, the oldest, the biggest, and the most competitive market of network marketing in the whole world. The first time an Indian company is bringing a solution, a high-tech solution for solving the problem of prospecting. How it works, let me brief it in 2 minutes. Number one, it will give you an application, an app. The moment you download the app, it will sync with all mobile numbers in your phone. It will exclude the LAN numbers. It will exclude the landlines. It will sync with all mobile numbers in the phone. In your phone book, you may be having 500 or 600 connections. But usually when we start writing the list of names, we get exhausted when we reach 20 or 30. Whereas in our phone book, 500 or 600 connections. See the irony. So what the app will do, it will sync with all the contacts, and it will select the contacts. It will prioritize the contact by using its intelligence, and app will select which are the best people suitable for our Indus Viva business from your phone book. I repeat, it will identify the pre-sold people. Pre-sold people means it is like in college days we used to tell, oh, that boy is single, he is ready to mingle. We used to talk about the boys and girls. He is single or she is single, ready to mingle. So if you approach, she will say yes quickly. The same way, the app will identify from the 600 people in your phone book who are more than willing to receive your invitation to become a Viva distributor or a Viva customer. The app's algorithm will do that. Then after that, the app will send the videos, the right videos, to those people. Every day it will send a video to one person. Sunday it will send one video. Monday it will send one video. Not to the same person, different people. Which video? If somebody is obeys, it will not send the iGlow video. It will send the iSlim video. When like that to all your contacts, but not in one shot, daily one. Which video? That 100-second video. We have a 100-second video. It will do a prospecting for a particular product. Maybe it will do prospecting for iSlim. Maybe it will do prospecting for iGlow. It will send that video through WhatsApp. The app will send. You don't need to send, okay? When somebody is watching that, if he like it, he will say a thumbs up or something. Then what will happen? The app will send your e-commerce store link to that person. Then that person will initiate a sale, a purchase, effectively your sale. You will come to know once you get an SMS from your Axis Bank that rupees 500 credited in your account against a sale. How is it interesting? Interesting. The same way, recruitment also. People are thinking after A and B, my job is done. Your job is done to become a star. To become a black diamond, that's not enough. You have to do the prospecting continuously, recruitment continuously. Again, the app will help. It is a mind block. Oh, my contacts are over, but the app will never think like that. App will send prospecting video. Which video, Pablo Bruno? To 5 people 3 times in a week. Why 3 times? Because we have online Zoom VOPs 3 times in a week. One day before to 5 people, app will send the Pablo Bruno parable of the pipeline video. Whoever is responding, a thumbs up, a basic response. Forget about it. Our software will come to know whoever even clicked that. To those people, next day's VOP's invitation will go. If he is a Teluguite, the app's algorithm will send the invitation of Telugu VOP, not Hindi VOP. To that precise. When that person is attending the VOP, that time only you need to come in the picture. Your recruitment, your retail. Now you have a powerful helper. Those who watch Bahubali movies, we say, now you have a Kattappa with you. This app will do that role. Kattappa helped not only Mahendra Bahubali, Kattappa helped his father Amarendra Bahubali, and Kattappa helped his grandfather also. 3 generations Kattappa supported. This app will support your generations, not just you. I would say in a single line, world's most advanced, world's most technologically advanced network marketing company. In a quiz competition, if a question is coming, if your children is answering Indus Viva, they will get the mark. The way the travel industry got changed, the way the movie industry got changed, like Netflix, like Ola, network marketing, the first disruptor, the most high-tech company in the whole world, that is your industry. If the app is ready, your DAC is evaluating it to do the final fine-tuning. Once that is completed, I don't know, the council may take another week's time to do that, not more than that, then this app will be available for you. Now you have the market of 130 crore people. All your connections in the phone book. You just imagine. If we have 8 lakh distributors, if 8 lakh distributors are having average 500 connections in their phone, 8 lakh into 500, how many crore people will get approached effectively, properly through this high-tech app? Your world is changing. The way you are going to do network marketing in Indus Viva business is no more the same. It's only a matter of few days, not more than a week. I'm sure the council will give the green signal, then the new revolution is on. Thanks to 2020 coronavirus, because our team could spend their time on it. They got some breathing time. And furthermore, we should give our thanks to our IT team. Do you know we have around 20 to 25 people, software engineers, working full-time on this project, in-house, our own team, not outside team. Outsiders cannot develop this. For that, first you need to get ingrained with the network marketing. You should think like a network marketeer, not like an IT engineer. Then you cannot develop this. So our team is headed by one of the very best talents in the software industry. Actually, he got a posting with the Mittal Steel in Luxembourg, Lakshmi Mittal's company. He rejected that and he joined us with Indus Viva. So many engineers from Mittal Steel joined us in Indus Viva. A very high profile team we have. So kudos to them. You can give a round of applause, each one of you, to our magnificent IT team who is going to help tens of thousands of Vivais to achieve their cherished dreams in life. So dear friends, today I just wanted to give you few more interesting things. Number one, rank maintenance bonus is a very critical feature of Indus Viva business. Usually people complain that in a 2 lakh compensation plan, people tend to focus more on their lesser leg. It is like the mother's attitude. Mothers used to focus more on their weak child. It is a mother syndrome. It is a good syndrome, nothing wrong with that. But should not be at the cost of your greater leg. Your greater leg is doing good. It doesn't mean they should not get punished. That is the reason Indus Viva introduced rank maintenance bonus. I am very sure you may not be able to see this bonus in any other company in this country, probably in the whole world. This is an innovation of Indus Viva, the rank maintenance bonus. But people used to complain, sir, it starts only from Ruby executive level. Why not in small levels? I said, small level, you know, the PAYDAS rank criteria is bit tough. It is like in Indus Viva, income you will earn easily, but rank is tough in Viva. Those who have the real muscles only can become achievers. We have many people, I use the word many, M-A-N-Y, many people, even after completing 1 crore, they are not diamonds. 1 crore you may earn, but diamond rank in Indus Viva, it is not that easy. So the point is, the rank maintenance bonus, which will encourage everyone to concentrate on the greater leg also. But one limitation was it is starting only from Ruby rank level. So your company, your council has decided to relax the PAYDAS rank criteria for star 250, star 500 and star 1000. They relaxed the criteria of the PAYDAS rank and included star 250 also for rank maintenance bonus. Our chairman has signed it. It is in force. Let me tell you from yesterday onwards. Although the announcement is coming today, it came in force from yesterday itself. As usual, industry was style. After implementing something only, we will announce it. For a star 250, a rank maintenance bonus of 500 rupees. Not 125 rupee, 500 rupee. What about star 500? 1000 rupee rank maintenance bonus. What about star 1000? 2500 rupee rank maintenance bonus. There cannot be a greater beginning than this for 2021. For 2021. And furthermore, our 50 rupee cashback, it was there till 31st December. For your information, it is like Saturday, Sunday, Monday. If you submit PVs, you will be getting 50 rupee cashback. That 50 rupee cashback, it is not extended, but made it permanent and included in the compensation plan. Now it will be lifetime. Furthermore, ideal distributor, that is also actually extended till 31st March. Now the council gave me the responsibility to announce that rank maintenance bonus, ideal distributor also is included in the compensation plan and it will be permanent. It will be permanent. As you all know that what is differentiating IndusViva from other companies, it is nothing but our products. Compensation plan anybody can copy. Just download our compensation plan and print it in a paper. Comp plan anybody can copy. But our products are not like that. Our products are the outcome of 5,000 years old Indian wisdom, ancient wisdom of India, Ayurveda, meeting with world's #1 Japanese technology. When the ancient Indian wisdom meets world's finest Japanese technology, you will have a product which is equivalent to the gadgets of Apple in the healthcare domain. That is what is IndusViva products. I have seen through e-commerce Torlink alone, one boy achieved top retailer bonus. Only through e-commerce Torlink business achieved top retailer bonus. Then you just imagine how beautiful the product is So, in 2021, we are dedicating this year for adding more science into our products. What do you mean by adding more science into the products? For example, you and me being a direct seller, we will endorse these products by looking at the testimonies. If we got excellent testimony, we are happy, we will recommend the product. But the scientific community, I mean the medical doctors, they don't do that. They will do only if the studies are conducted for this product. I mean the scientific studies, clinical trials, in vitro studies, like that there are many things. If those things are conducted by whom? Conducted by reputed hospitals or medical colleges. Indus Viva products, these studies are happening in Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore, Narayana Hridayalaya Hospital in Bangalore, etc. These medical colleges are not just famous in India, even Narayana Hridayalaya is famous across the world for heart treatment. In those medical colleges or those hospitals, the studies will be conducted by the doctors of that hospital, and they will confirm that these products, whatever claims have, are scientifically confirmed. Once they give that certificate, it will go to the clinical trial registry of India. Means government also will put a seal on it. Then you will have a product which the doctors will recommend. If the doctors have the data, then doctors also will prescribe iPulse for heart health, iCoffee for diabetes, iSlim for weight loss, iGlow for skin health. They will also prescribe. That will take your product to a totally different level. And we are doing business not only in India, we are doing business in the United States, we are doing business in East Africa. So the studies need to be conducted in America as well. But these things are very expensive. These things are very expensive. So we are forced to revise the price of our products from 9th January onwards. The maximum retail price of our products from 9th January will be 3,597 rupee 50 paise. This is the first time in the 7 years of history of Indus Viva, we are revising our price. Within the 7 years time, the price of rice, sugar, travel, everything has gone high in the past 7 years. But this is the first time we are revising the price. If we look at the inflation rate of the past 7 years, this hike is very much justifiable. It is like price is what we pay, value is what we get. So our promise of value for money products remain same. But in that, you may feel there is a price hike, but effectively it is not 500 rupee, effectively a hike of only 350 rupee only. You know why? The 100 rupee handling charge, if you go and collect the product from any of our hubs across India, that 100 rupee will be credited back to your e-wallet account. So 100 rupee will be collected, but if you come and collect it at least by Wednesday, it will come back to your e-wallet account. So effectively that 100 is gone. The transaction charge of 50 rupee again taken off. So that 150 rupee plus 50 rupee of cashback offer is part of the plan. So 150 plus 200. So effective hike is only 300 rupee. That is just 10% within 7 years time. As I said, roti, dal, sugar, everything has gone much more than 10%. But this is just 10%. But in the nutshell, we will remit 3,100 only to company. Why? Because to comfort our people, because our people are experienced with the dealing with the 3,100 all these years. So we don't want to change that habit. To comfort our people, we are going with the DP billing from 9th January. To comfort our people. DP billing from 9th January. But if it is an e-commerce sale, a store link sale, again it will be MRP billing, because then only the retail profit can come back to our distributor's account. And of course, the 25 PV first order, again it will be MRP billing. And through this change, our distributors are also adequately rewarded. The retail profit has increased from 500 to 600 rupees. Retail profit is 600 rupee. And if you calculate star rewards and rank maintenance bonus starting from star 250 rank, 12,000 rupee business left May, 12,000 rupee business right May, 1,200 rupee will be coming to our account. That colloquial language of 10% of balanced volume in rupee will be again maintained. So let me just tell you one point of Jack Ma, who said last year, the target of 2020 should be, you should be alive. You should be alive. You means not only personally, even for companies also. A company should be alive to see 2021. That should be the target, Jack Ma said. Forget about growth. Forget about achievements. But, dear friends, in 2020 also, your company has grown. It is not your company just survived. Your company has grown in 2020 also. We have done more business compared to 2019 in 2020. We sold more products in 2020 compared to 2019. We got diamonds. We got achievers in 2020. More achievers compared to 2019. We used to say you should be strong. Not just physically. Indus Viva has grown. It is not just because we are physically strong. Not just because we are mentally strong. We have grown because of our warrior spirit inside. We have grown because of our warrior spirit inside. When we declare our 2021 mission, 2021, we are all set to go to make 2021 the very best year in the history of Indus Viva. Till 31st December 2021, all plans are made. Everything is in place. So 2021, you will be able to see diamonds will be raining in Indus Viva. Diamonds will be raining in Indus Viva. It would be such a fantastic year waiting for all of us. So our esteemed customers and our beloved distributors and our committed staff members, we pledge our solemn commitment to remain the most relevant and the most viable network marketing company, not just in India, not just in East Africa, not just in the United States, probably all over the world. So, once again, wish you a fantastic 2021 with clear targets in place, because without deadlines, no one will achieve anything. So have a powerful dream with a clear deadline. And we are here to change the landscape of Indian network marketing industry. So, with winning regards, your friend and partner in success, Advocate Abhilash Thomas, signing off.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Abhilash. A lot of things, exciting things happening in 2021, my dear friends. As you witnessed, a lot of excitements, the engagement app, and a lot of things, the Star 250 and above rank maintenance. This is going to create a revolution in the direct selling industry. So let's kickstart this brand new year with a bang. As all of you know that Indus Viva is a global company now. We have our operations already successfully running in the United States of America, and we are operational in Rwanda, the Singapore of Africa. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start your operations and start your business in Rwanda also now. So Indus Viva is a growing company, and fulfill your dreams and make it a reality in 2021. This year, let us start with a bang and ensure that every single distributor in your team is upgrading the rank and achieving what they deserve. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead and have a rocking 2021. Take care, all of you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.